Okay, so I'm at the next property to, pretty much take care of the leaves. And what a pleasant surprise. The lady took care of the leaves for me. She's such a great tenant. So I'm here pretty much then just to change out the oil in the mowers. I have a lot of mowers on these properties. Either the tenants sometimes do them or I, sometimes do it. But every winter they were getting gunked up. So now every end of the season, I take care of them. I change the oil, change the spark plugs, fix the blades up, and they've been lasted for years already. So good tip, take care of your equipment and it'll last a long time. So let's go and change that oil. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is change the filter at the end of the season. And you look where the primer button is, and normally that's where the filters are. So you just take that off. Take the dirty filter out. That's after one season. You put the new filter in, nice and simple, but this will save the life of the machine. And then you just put the top right back on. Okay, the second thing I do is I turn the mower on its side, and all this like gook, this dried up grass, it's gonna take some time if you haven't done it, but you wanna get all that removed, all this gunk. See all that stuff? You want to get all that away so the blades can rotate efficiently. Okay, so as you can see, there's a lot of gunk in there. You want to really scrape everything, keep everything looking as good as possible, and this will help the mower really last a lot longer. Okay, so now the last step is the oil and the gas. So this is on this mower, this is where the oil filler is. So you just empty this out. You unscrew this. And then you're gonna take that oil, dump it into this pan, and we're gonna fill it up with that. Okay, so now I'm tilting it. I actually should have started it first, but I forgot. So normally you want to start the engine and run it for a couple minutes, get the oil nice and hot, and so it just comes right out. Either way, change the oil at the end of every season. So another quick tip I can give you is when I take out the oil from the mower, I always put it in one of these little quart cups, okay? So I empty out the old one, and wherever it lies, I measure up the new oil in another cup to equal this. Now why? Is because you never want to over oil the lawnmower, and this way it matches exactly how much oil was in there. I can put exactly back into it without overfilling it, and then if I need to add a little bit at a time, I can. So now I want to test the level of the oil. So I'm going to put the oil dipstick in to the thing, come out, and it should see it looks like I have enough oil in there. So we're going to put this back in and tighten it up. Now it's almost ready for the season, just gas and a spark plug. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is change out the spark plug. So you're going to pull up the front, and right there is the spark plug. You're going to use one of these tools with an adapter and a socket remover, and then we're going to just put that on there and then turn it. Okay, so once you take out the spark plug, you're going to put the new one back in. I don't have the new spark plug with me. And then we're going to address the gas. Now, I like to use a storage type of thing for the gas, a fuel stabilizer. You mix a little bit with 5 gallons in a gas tank, and then it's good for all your equipment, weed whackers, lawn mowers, and this way they won't get gunked up and the carburetors will stay good. And this will save you at least $150, $200, so you don't have to keep buying new mowers on all your properties. So I hope you guys learned a little bit. Again, a day in the life of a landlord. It's all about saving money and keeping your equipment operational. So again, if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up, like, share, and I really appreciate it. Keep watching. We put new videos up weekly. And again, Take care of your lawnmowers.